So, from someone who just switched his whole entire PC to a ROG Ally, well, ROG Xbox Ally X. Wow, that's a mouthful. It's amazing how this comes out right after I make that switch. I made the switch about a month ago, but it's amazing how now this comes out and this is revealed now after me making that switch. So, if you don't know what this is the brand new 2026 version of the Xbox Ally X. This is the exact same inside as the 2025 version. It has the same amount of RAM, same RAM speed, same Z2 stream processing chip. Everything else is actually the same inside when it comes to the behind the hood type stuff. But when it comes to the actual device, the motherboard is different. It has two USB-C ports a little bit raised up for better ventilation. And the reason why it needs to do that is because of the OLED panel. A 7.4-inch OLED panel, so the bezels are a lot less than the ROG Xbox Ally X. Because of that, obviously OLED emits more heat than an LCD panel, so they have ventilation that is better. Also, the Xbox button now glows green. It has this transparent look to it instead of it just being a straight up matte black type design. The D-pad you can go ahead and pull it and it can twist and move depending on what game you want to play. You can move the D-pad. The the analog sticks, I believe it has better anti-drift to them. Other than that, the color scheme obviously a little bit different. It's pretty much the exact same as the ROG Xbox Ally X. Oh my man, I hate the name. I hate the name of these consoles. I say console, but gaming PC. And it's funny because I'm recording this video right now on an ROG Xbox Ally X. Yeah, again, see my video if you want to about that. Now, will I be picking this up? The answer is no. There's nothing on this that helps me out personally. Again, I use my ROG Xbox Ally X as a gaming PC. I use it as a content creation PC, right? I have this plugged into two monitors, and that's how I run my YouTube channels. I have 5 different YouTube channels. This is not more powerful than the 2025 model. Is it better when it comes to ventilation? Yes. Is it better with an OLED panel? Yes. Is it better with, 7.4 inches? Yes. The sticks, yes. As a physical handheld device, it's better. I don't utilize mine as much as a handheld as I do as an actual desktop PC type concept. So because of that, I'm not going to buy one. We don't know exactly what the price tag is yet and what that will end up being, but I'm sure it's going to be very, very expensive knowing ROG and knowing Asus here. So, I mean, again, for what it is, it's a cool device. Don't get me wrong. And if you don't have an Xbox ROG Ally and you want to get a gaming PC type concept, and for those who are wondering, like, why don't you just get a desktop? Or if you don't know, I actually did have a desktop and I went to this. A lot of the reason why also is to heat. Like, desktop PCs, they completely cook your room. If you have, let's say, I had a 9950 X3D, a 5080, that thing, both of those combined, made my room like 30 degrees higher. It was insane. You add on to that now, this bad boy right here, where, yeah, it's going to conduct some heat, don't get me wrong, it will, but it's nothing compared to what we see out of freaking a actual gaming PC. Hold up. Time monitor. Okay, there we go. So here's my real-time monitor. That's what I was trying to pull up. Sorry about that. So right now we're at 79 degrees. 79 degrees. CPU's at 63% usage. I do have it capped at 80% for, obvious reasons. But yeah, so is it still like hot? Don't get me wrong. Yes, obviously. it just doesn't generate the much heat as a gaming PC does. So that's why I do like it better, because I don't have the heat and the crazy, stuff going on like that. But yeah, for the most part, again, like I said, it is a really cool concept. We got, again, like I said, the thing here. So from like actual handheld device, it is better. It is better than the one I have right now. But I just don't use it as a handheld device that much. If I was going to use it as a handheld device more, I would probably just end up getting, and I know it's way more expensive, but I'd probably just end up getting the more expensive Lenovo something 2. Legion Go 2. But for what it is, it's still a cool device, still a cool concept, and shout out to Asus for changing the game. Kinda. If this device is $2,000, I am going to absolutely die laughing. Because the original one is, what, $1,000? And I don't think they're going to stop selling that. So, this will probably be, I would assume, $1,500. I guess we'll see, though. Peace out, guys.